much cooler. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 131, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Severe
This
thunderstorm
watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Anson, Richmond, and Scotland, and the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield, Darlington, Kershaw, Lee, and Marlborough.
And we're in it.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations.
Was not
In
expecting a
Florence,
watch.
it was fair. The temperature was
At all.
90 degrees.